Hi, in this video I'll be discussing about the new feature which was introduced in C# 8.0, which is interface method. So we can declare a method inside the interface also. Earlier we used to say whenever we were giving the differences between the interface and the abstract class, so this was a very prominent and very important difference which we used to say, like there's a declaration and the definition we can have inside an abstract class, but it is not possible in case of the interface. But this is not valid anymore. Let's just see how with the implementation. So if you can see, I have just created an interface with the name iVaccine, and there's a method which I have just declared. And so the new feature says is we can have the definition of this particular method, and to do that let me just write a console.writeLine, and let me just write a message here, vaccination done. And now, so in this way I can just have the definition of any particular method inside an interface. So this is a new feature which has been introduced. Now how I can use it? To use that, let me create a one class here with the name center, and let me inherit this particular interface. And to use it, let me go to the main method and create an object of a class center. Now if I write obj dot, it will show me the name of the method which is Covaxin. So this is the way how I can use, or I can call a particular method of an interface. And let me just run it and see the output. It should give me the vaccination done as in the message. Okay, so the vaccination done is the output which I can see in the console. So this is the way how I can create a method inside an interface and then call a particular method of an interface. Thank you.